Good location. The location is easy to go everywhere in BKK. In a Box Hostel review, Lucy from Kenya. I have stayed in this hostel for more than 5 times. Every time I'm in Bangkok I want to stay here. It feels like home. The staff are very kind. Had a very nice stay. Thank you. In a Box Hotel for the very nice stay. Looking forward to spending the next year's Songkran with you guys. Vacation. The staff are very accommodating and helpful. Value for money. Good location next to BTS station and walking distance to Pratunam area. Staff is very helpful as well. Exceptional. The staff are very welcoming and supportive. Facility is very modern. Thank you so much for making my stay a memorable one. Perfect, simple stay. Great location by the train. Market in the morning behind the building, at least on Monday there was. Secured building. Firm bed. Clean showers. Very friendly staff. Stayed an extra night because it was so nice. Steeper stairs, so just prepare for that if carrying heavy bags. All perfect, except no curtains on the bunks. That's a pretty simple thing to do and a reasonable need in a dorm, especially for mixed dorms. Still a great place. Enjoy. It was good. Exceptional. Nice hotel and amazing room and great location. Fascinating. Very valuable price for perfect location. The room are comfy and clean. All the facilities are really nice. Highly recommend for travelers. Smile. Good hostel. The location is very good and the staff is very kindness. Comfortable trip. The lady staff at reception is very kind and nice service. She's always help with Thai smile. The room is very clean.